What if I told you that Greek mythology isn't just stories, but actual places you can hike? Today we're hiking in the footsteps of gods, exploring Mount Olympus, Zeus's home turf, finding Apollo's legendary oracle in Delphi, and diving into the Cave of Zeus in Crete. Will I receive divine wisdom or just blisters? Stick around to find out. Welcome to Mount Olympus, the legendary home of Zeus, king of the gods, and possibly the worst dad in mythology. If the legends are true, the gods are up there having a feast right now, while we mortals huff and puff our way up. According to myth, Zeus and his fellow deities partied on this very mountain. And let's be real, if you had to rule over a bunch of drama-loving Greek gods, you'd want a private mountain too. Oh, mighty Zeus, grant me the strength to finish this hike, or at least a protein bar. Okay, moving on. Behold Delphi, home of the Oracle of Apollo, aka the ancient Google search, where kings and warriors came seeking answers. Kind of like me wondering if I brought enough snacks. Oh, wise Oracle, will I make it through this trip alive? You will, if you stop making dumb choices. Wow, even in the afterlife, people judge me. This is it, the legendary Cave of Zeus. According to myth, baby Zeus was hidden here so his father Kronos wouldn't eat him. Yup, Greek parenting at its finest. Legend says Zeus was raised by a goat here, and now I'm inside, with only my camera and a growing sense of regret. Okay, either that's Zeus himself or a very angry bat. Time to go. From Zeus' throne at Mount Olympus, to Apollo's oracle in Delphi, to the cave where it all began. Greek mythology isn't just ancient history, it's an adventure waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this mythological adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And tell me in the comments, which mythological place should I hike next? See you on the next trail. Dare to trail out.